UTKARSH ASTHANA'S hub, the Wondertainment Zone. Hi guys, this is UTKARSH M Dollurix and you're watching Hub Tech Talk Season 1 Episode 27. So today's Tech Talks topic is that what are linear cities, how do they expand, and are they the future of cities? Also, we will today discuss the architectural engineering model of NEOM, the line, which is the leading linear city of Saudi Arabia, and it is indeed a wonder. So we will talk about all things linear city today in this 27th part of Hub Tech Talk Season 1. So hope you guys like this. So basically, starting with, let's just firstly understand that what are basically linear cities. So linear cities, as the name suggests, are cities which expand in a linear manner, meaning they have very less width but they are fully expanding in length. So you can understand very easily with this Apple Watch strap. You see it like this. You can clearly see that it has a very less width right here, but it has much length. That's the same way that how linear cities also expand. They have a less width but have a longer length, and so they expand in a lengthy manner with less width, hence linear cities, as the name suggests. So basically, if you live in a linear city, then the distances between any place is long because they are made in length. But as they are in straight lines, they don't have any U-turns or curves. So basically, the main computation there is railways only, and metro lines and bullet trains and some other super fast trains. Also, the roads which are made there don't have any U-turns as such, but basically the roads are also straight, and so it's very easy to drive in a linear city, you see. But yeah, as they have very less width, so there's not much space between two houses, two buildings, or not even a very wide road, but length is superb. So that's how linear cities are. So now let's just understand that how do linear cities expand. So basically, as I've already told you guys, that they expand in a linear manner with very less width but more length. So they expand like a big kind of line, and that's why linear cities are mostly referred to as line, meaning they expand like this with very less width but yeah, with more length, and hence they are longer in length, but as they are of less width, they occupy very less space if you see the space in a geometric manner, geographically on a large scale basis. Hence they are really intuitive, and that's only they can prove to be the future of cities for sure. Now we will understand that how NEOM, the line, is made, and we will understand its architectural engineering wonder, a state-of-the-art engineering model to be looked upon with astonishment. So basically, NEOM is a linear smart city which is designed in Tabuk province of Saudi Arabia, and it is designed to have no cars, no carbon CO2 emissions, or no dirt, no pollution. But just linear railways will be the only mode of transportation in NEOM, the line. And yeah, it is a really intuitive smart city which has 3 dedicated levels, and it has been designed and divided into 3 levels like this: first level, second level, and the third level. Now the first level, which is on the very top, there the people live and they all just stay there, which is the residential area. The second area is the lower one, and it is where the production and industrial production happens. The third layer is the transportation layer, where the transportation and the heavy logistics transportation happen. The expected date of NEOM, the line's construction to get over, is 2030, which is just 6 years apart, and it's quite obvious that such a big linear city project takes such less time, because it's very less time to build such an amazing linear city. But NEOM is indeed the future. So now I will share with you guys the architectural engineering model of NEOM, the line. So here we can see from this architectural model of NEOM, the line, that the line is 4 hours flying time from 40% of world's population, and NEOM is located in the Tabuk province, and here we can see that the line operates in three layers: pedestrian layer, service layer, and spine layer. It has AI-enabled transport, ultra-high-speed transit, next-generation freight operations, and invisible layer of infrastructure. So truly, NEOM the line is the future of linear cities and smart cities. So the estimated or the approximate size of NEOM the line will be 6,70,000 square meters, which is a lot of space. And basically it would be able to accommodate 9 million people as its population, which is also a lot of population for a linear smart city, basically the most amount of population ever. Basically the linear cities are not always be able to just retain their linearity, because as the time passes, slowly and gradually the things start becoming they start expanding in such a manner that markets, shops, temples, other important places start to just grow rapidly on the one side of linear city and on the other side of linear city, and hence that's why only they no longer remain as linear cities and they lose their linearity and just become like any other small or normal city. A good example of this is the Babylonian city of Rome. It was also firstly a linear city only, but very soon it lost its linearity and just became a normal city, just like any other crowded normal city. And basically, the entry and exit points in a linear city are very far apart, and that's why only it's a real problem and real mess, because as they are very lengthy with less width, the entry is supposedly 10 kilometers apart from the exit, or 20 kilometers apart, and that's why only entry and exits are very distant from each other, and there's no middle point from where one can enter or exit the line city. So the five principles of NEOM the line are sustainability, livability, technology, nature, and community. These are the basic five foundational pillars of the line or NEOM on which it is built upon. So basically NEOM the line is divided into three different layers, which are the pedestrian layer, the service layer, and the spine, logistic, or transport layer. Now the pedestrian layer is the visible layer. Under it is there's a hidden infrastructure layer, which is the service layer, and layer which is at the bottom, which is the bottommost layer, it is known as the spine layer or the logistical or transport layer. So basically the spine layer is the core of NEOM, where all the basically transportation activities happen of goods and other stuff, where on the other hand the layer which is above the spine layer or transportation logistic layer, it is known as the service layer, where all the service stuff happens. You can go and get any service things done there, and the top layer is where the people or the 9 million people will live, which is known as the pedestrian layer, and which is the visible layer. So pedestrian layer is the residential layer of NEOM the line. Now NEOM the line will have five very amazing kind of places which are being revealed right now. They are the Trojana, Lengia, Cinderella, the line, and Oxygeno or Oxygon. So the line will be of 110 miles. Basically this will be the length of NEOM the line, and yeah, it has a sustainable goal of preserving 95% of the nature while during its construction. So that's really amazing, and that's how environment friendly the cities of future should be, as the NEOM the line indeed is. So that's all for this Hub Tech Talk Season 1 episode 27. Hope you guys liked this yet another wondertaining Hub video with me, UTKARSH M, Dollurix, exclusively at Hub the Wondertainment Zone. If you really do, please click on like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and stay tuned on Hub the Wondertainment Zone for more amazing wondertaining Hub videos just like this one. This is me, UTKARSH M, Dollurix, signing off. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and adios. Also, to add on, recently only we have created our Instagram handle, so you can tune to us on our Instagram handle, which is utkarshtanashub.co_insta, and for the YouTube, you all know it's utkarshtanashub.co_yt. So please stay tuned on Hub the Wondertainment Zone for more amazing entertaining videos just like this one. Thanks for watching this Hub Tech Talk Season 1 Episode 27. Thanks. Tune to us on our Instagram handle utkarshasthana's.co_insta for amazing, wondertaining and intuitive technical insights and sneak peeks of our upcoming Hub videos on our YouTube channel Utkarsh Asthana's Hub, the Wondertainment Zone. Download the Software Hub app today.